How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. My name is Hambone. To those of you who follow me on Facebook and YouTube, we have just reached an important milestone. I just received a notification saying that I have over 500 followers on Facebook now, and I have 100 subscribers now on YouTube. That is awesome. I am so excited. And if any of you have been following my streams and following my videos, you will know that there's major problems that I have. One, my battery on my camera continually dies midstream. After weeks of searching, I have finally found an external power supply for my camera. No more dead batteries. That's not going to happen anymore. We are going to be live with my face all in the camera every stream. Another important thing that happened to me today is I have finally found a microphone and an audio interface to finally boost up my streams. I'm so tired of using this mic that I'm using now. If you've heard my quality, it's not the greatest, and I don't know if you can see this beautiful work of art here. This is the Sound Blaster Z. It came with a sound card that I bought 6 years ago, but it's not up to par with where I want to be with my streaming. So I went out today and I bought this, the Scarlett 2i2 Studio. It comes with an audio interface, a microphone, and a pair of headphones, and with all the cables it needs as well. I don't know the quality of this. As you know, finding things in the Cebu is super hard, especially for streamers. If you're a streamer, finding good gear is extremely hard. And I am lucky that I have found this today. I had to go to some very unknown places here in Cebu, and luckily I stumbled upon it. And we're gonna see if it is better than what I have now, and I am hoping so, because this mic is just it's so bad. You can hear it right now. I'm using it right now. So today we're gonna do an unboxing of this bad boy, along with some accessories that I have bought for it, and we are going to set up my new rig. I'm so excited. Guys, let's get right into it. We have the Focusrite audio interface. We have the microphone that came with it. We have the very light and flimsy headphones. One mount, one XLR cable, and one USB cable that connects to the computer. So I got this floor microphone stand. It's Gravity brand. Okay guys, after much struggling to get this software set up and finding some EQs to plug in and playing with the settings, I think I've finally got it where I like it. I'm still using the regular mic now, but we're going to switch over to the other shortly just so you can hear the difference. I'm sure you probably hear all that background noise right now. Very annoying. But let's see what happens. All right, guys, we are using the new microphone. What do you guys think? Does it sound better? Am I pro gamer now? Am I pro streamer? Because I kind of like this microphone. It came with good software. It was a pain in the butt to get set up, but I think this is going to be my new go-to for now. Alright guys, so we have finally set up the microphone. We have finally got it to where I think I like it. These headphones, they're pretty good. They're actually really good noise canceling. I would say if you have a studio headset, it would be a lot better. But for me, it's a lot better than my Razors. These are old, they're falling apart. So I actually enjoy these, and the 3.5mm jack gives a little more clarity to the volume. So to me, I think the setup was worth it. It cost me about 20,000 pesos, which is almost $400 in the United States. But I definitely think it was worth it. I think that once you get all the settings set up, the EQ set up, and the gain, and I would highly recommend it. Especially here in the Philippines, you know, everything's limited. So if you could find this good Scarlett 2i2 setup, I would definitely purchase it. It's definitely improved my sound quality, and I look forward to using it in my next stream or my next video. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and like and follow my Facebook if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next stream or video. This is Hambone signing off. Take care.